pleasure to welcome you to Budapest for the 2024 European SME Assembly on behalf of the Hungarian presidency. I encourage you to connect with each other, to inspire and to be inspired, and to bring new ideas back to your communities. Thank you for being here. Let's kick off the 2024 SME Assembly. Thank you very much.
The SME Assembly is a very important fixture in our calendar for SMEs because it's an opportunity to bring together SMEs from all the member states of the European Union.
Without money and changing fiscal rules, we cannot solve the situation.
Our SMEs, these are the backbone of Europe, and we need really to connect these SMEs and have friendly business regulation for them so that they can grow and they can deliver their potential, employ people, be in our territories, export. That's it.
I think it's a great opportunity to share these products and ideas with others from the SME sector.
Basically, we are looking to extend our partnerships, getting new clients, getting new relations across Europe.
We would like to expand in international market, and also we would like to get to know about the other participants, to networking, to build new connection, to build possible cooperation.
Obviously, the reason we are taking part in such a happening, it's a European Union Small and Medium Enterprises Assembly, so we have to make connection with the decision makers, with the policy rights and etc. So it's the right place to be at the moment.
We continue today the list of outstanding speakers with Professor Johan Wiklund. He's a renowned entrepreneurship scholar and professor of entrepreneurship at Syracuse University's Martin J. Whitman School of Management.
I think if you had more diverse programs, more diverse population, the chance will be higher that you get unique output. I think that entrepreneurship policy needs to be more entrepreneurial. Thank you very much.
Very inspiring, very diverse topics that are covered.
Really, I think it's the most interactive conference for SMEs and SME stakeholders. So I think it's a very good platform to interact, to learn what is on the table about SMEs in Europe.
Welcome everyone to the European Enterprise Promotion Awards 2024.
The winner of the Grand Jury Prize for 2024 is Just Go Zero Tilos, Municipality of Tilos.
I was not prepared for something like this, but I am so excited. I cannot really believe this. It's unbelievable. Thank you so much.
I want to extend my deepest thanks to the European Commission, Law Europe, and the contractors and my team for extraordinary efforts in co-organizing this event.
I would recommend
recommend to join and come in and see this, and it's a very good opportunity for spend these 1.5 days to meet people from policy making and from institutions and get in touch and see their perspectives and understand each other.